This is what you guys sound like. So annoying. Listen. What are you guys?
I'm trying to left the server.
What?
Lillian, I didn't think that we were actually the murderer. I thought you were lying. I'm just kidding. No, I thought you were the murderer the whole time. I just wanted to have some fun. And be a little evil.
You guys, I'm not trying to be rude, but you guys need to be less annoying. Listen to you guys.
Mom, can you give me water, please? I'm really thirsty. Are you going to bed soon, Mama? Are you going to bed soon?
Oh my goodness, I can't.
We're going to bed in 8 minutes. Actually, guys, I'm going to go.
Okay.
Okay, bye. I wish you the worst nightmares.
I wish you the worst nightmare.
Lillian, I thought your thing ended at 9:30.
Yeah, well, I got more time until 9:55.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Baba, can you give me water, please? Baba, can you give me water, please? Baba, can you give me water, please?